Hey guys, my name is Saif, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can easily use Capsule CRM. So let's get started. First, let's create our own account by try for free. Here you can see all the plans, their features, so you can decide which one suits you the best. You can also start for free without any requirement for your credit card info. Let's continue with Google. Here it will ask about the organization name. Let's say my organization. And let's just accept the terms and press on next. Let's set a password and create account. Here you can see your dashboard. You can see the latest updates here. You can see the tasks here. You can also add a task from this button, and you can select any one of these tasks and see. And by checking this checkbox, you mean that you have already done with this task. So let's navigate through the top menu really fast. We have here People and Organization tab, which shows you the people that you are dealing with and the organizations as well. Here you have the calendar and tasks, which shows your future plans and what you are supposed to do. Here you can see the sales pipeline. You can see your opportunities here and the stages of your opportunities. Next, you can see your projects. Then you can see reports. And finally, you can see workflow automations. So basically, I will focus on this tutorial on adding people, organizations, and tasks. So let's first add our first person. Here you can add a new person by pressing on Add Person here. Let's start the organization first. Press on Add Organization, My Organization. Then you can insert a phone number or any contact information, or you can just save it. And here is the data about your organization. You can access it from here. Since I didn't insert much info about my organization, then you will see that these cells are empty. Now let's add a new people by pressing Add Person here. Mr. Bruce Turner. Job title, for example, engineer. Organization. Now let's search for my organization, and you will see it in the drop-down menu. You can add tags, you can skip, you can add contact details, or you can skip it. So let's skip all this info and press on Save. Here you can see the info about your first person added. You can also edit this information from here, and you can see if this person is related to any files, any opportunities, or any projects. Now let's add a new task. Let's go to the dashboard and press on Add Task. Then let's say, for example, contract finalization. Let's select the date to be maybe after 5 days or something from now. And let's put the time, any hour, PM. Let's make it sensible. The category, you can select what is the type of the task. It may be a call, email, or whatever. So let's select call and assign to me and press on Save. You can also link this task to a contact, opportunity, or project. So let's do this and add this task to be with Mr. Bruce Turner. And press on Save. And here is your task settled with the other tasks. So what we are going to do next is to go to Sales Pipeline and add an opportunity. This opportunity may be contract with Mr. Bruce. Opportunity relates to, let's say, Bruce, or we can change it and make it with the organization itself, my organization. Then we can add Mr. Bruce to the additional contacts. The description, you can write the description from here, maybe finalizing. So, sorry, I always miss the spelling of finalizing. Finalizing the agreement, the contract, agreement with Mr. Bruce. And let's select the date. We can leave it now, but I will select it as the same date of the call. We can also select the currency from here. Let's make it American dollars, and expected value maybe $5,000. And let's save. So now we have placed our opportunity successfully. We can press on sales pipeline once more, and we can see our opportunity here. We can drag and drop it to any stage we want. So if Mr. Bruce managed to succeed in the first stage, he will go to the qualified stage, then the meeting stage, then the proposal stage, then negotiation stage. Afterwards, you can mark it as either won or lost. So let's just keep it in the qualified, for example. You can also decide whether it's won or lost from here instead of dragging it. So now let's go to our reports. Unfortunately, in order to see the reports, you have to upgrade to one of the plans that we showed in the beginning of this tutorial. Now, in order to make sure that we have set everything correctly, we will go to the calendar and check if the task is set up correctly. And here we have our task, which is the phone call. We can also go to people and organizations, and when we navigate to my organization, we will find that Mr. Bruce is successfully added to the organization here, and that there is an opportunity which is contract with Mr. Bruce for my organization, and the stage is qualified. We will also see the value, the owner, and the closure date. So this is how you can use Capsule CRM. If you like this video, press on like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos.